If you want ChatGPT to stop using em dashes in its responses, there's an easy way to customize your ChatGPT so it doesn't do that anymore. And I'm going to show you how in this video. So here's my homepage. I'm going to go down to my name at the bottom. I have a Plus subscription, but I believe this works with all tiers. So let me know in the comments if it doesn't, but I do think it does. So now when I hit my name, I go up to personalization and I click that. And right under personalization, the first thing I see is custom instructions, and that's where I'm going to put my wording. So I'm going to use the exact wording I have copied here, and I'm going to paste it in. It's never use em dashes, use commas or parentheses instead, or choose another suitable option when needed. You can use kind of whatever instructions you want. You could just say, don't use em dashes, and it should work. I gave it a little more explanation here, but feel free to write whatever you want. Just make sure you're saying don't use em dashes. I'll put these exact instructions in the video description just so you have them. Okay, so that's all we need to do. Let's just save it. Okay, this little green icon says custom instructions updated, so I can click outside of my box. And let me just ask it. Perfect. So it's telling me exactly what it does, and I'm not seeing em dashes anymore. I've tested this. I really am so happy they made this possible, because who wants all those em dashes giving you away? I hope you found this useful. If you did, give me a like. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and thank you for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.